Hi, I'm Reenu Mohandas. I'm a PhD student with Confirm under the supervision of Dr. Martin Hayes. The area of my research is visual cognition as a process of understanding objects from pictures or videos using computer vision techniques and artificial intelligence techniques. One of my recent projects was mass detection. It was important during the times of COVID to detect if the person is wearing a mask or not. The next project that I've been working on was 3D scanning, and what you can see is a 3D printed part being scanned to find if there is any defect in the part or not. This is greatly important in smart manufacturing to improve the quality of the manufacturing product.